So hello friends, now we are going to solve this question of algebraic inequation, that is nothing but the solution set of the x square plus 2 less than equal to 3x less than equal to 2x square minus 5. So we can write this thing: 3x is less than equal to 2x square minus 5 and greater than equal to x square plus 2. Okay, so how we are going to solve this question, that we can see. So first of all, we can divide this question into two cases. First case is nothing but when 3x is greater than, this one portion is nothing but this thing, 3x is greater than equal to x square plus 2. And second case is nothing but we can take the second case, that is when 3x is less than this 2x square minus 3x is less than 2x square minus 5. Okay, and in the end we will take intersection of the result. Okay, so we are going to solve this question, that is this. So first case we are going to start with first case. So first case is nothing but when 3x is greater than equal to x square plus 2. So we can reverse this: x square plus 2 less than equal to 3x, x square plus 2. Now we are subtracting 3x, so we can write here, we can subtracting 3x, from both sides. So we can subtract 3x, x square plus 2 minus 2 less than equal to 3x minus 3x. So it will finally become x square minus 3x plus 2 less than equal to 0. That is x square minus 3x plus 2 less than equal to 0. So we can, this is a quadratic expression, or you can say the quadratic inequality. So we know that how to factorize a quadratic inequality, how to factorize a quadratic polynomial. So we are solving this LHS side to convert into linear factors. Okay, so there is nothing but x square minus 2x minus x plus 2 less than equal to 0. That everyone knows how we are. I have split the middle term, so that is nothing but this 3 minus 3 can be write minus 2x and minus x, and 2 1 2, it will give plus 2. So x we can take common from the starting two terms, x minus 2, minus 1 we can take common from the last two terms, it will give x minus 2, x minus 2, x minus 2 we can take common. So here it will be remaining x minus 1 less than equal to 0. So we will talk about the critical points. So critical points here, how we are going to get, that is nothing but where x minus 2 will be equal to 0 and where x minus 1 will be equal to 0. Critical points are nothing but here 2, and here it will give x equal to 1. So critical point are x equal to 1 and 2. We are going to represent these critical points on the number line in an increasing order. So 1 will come before 2, and this is minus infinity and this is plus infinity, and it will divide the number line into 3 equal parts. It is positive, negative, positive, and this is less than equal to 0, that is nothing but negative portion. Less than equal to 0 negative, that means this thing will have to take, that is nothing but x belongs to less than equal to, equality is also there, that means we are going to include 1 and 2 also, that is nothing but 1 and 2. So this is the answer in the first case. Now we are moving toward the second case. Second case is what, that we can see, and 3x is less than equal to 2x square minus 5. Second case, 3x is less than equal to 2x square minus 5. We can reverse this in this manner: 2x square minus 5 greater than equal to 3x. Now we can subtract 3x from both sides. So subtracting 3x from both sides, subtracting, that is 2x square minus 5 minus 3x greater than equal to 3x minus 3x. 3x cancel out, 2x square minus 3x minus 5 greater than equal to 0. Now with the middle term splitting, we are going to solve this quadratic inequality. 2x square minus 5 to the 10, it should be something minus 5x plus 2x minus 5 greater than equal to 0. X we are going to take common here from here, that is 2x minus 5, plus 1 we are going to take common from here, that is 2x minus 5 greater than equal to 0. 2x minus 5, x minus 5 is common, 2x minus 5, that everyone knows, x plus 1 greater than equal to 0. Critical points, we will talk about the critical points here, that is 2x minus 5, x plus 1, sorry, 2x minus 5, where it will be equal to 0, and x plus 1 where it will be equal to 0. So critical points here nothing but x equal to 5 by 2 and x equal to minus 1. Two critical points. Two critical points, 5 by 2 and x equal to minus 1, and this is greater than equal to 0. That means positive region we need to choose 5 by 2 and minus 1. So 5 by 2 and minus 1 are critical points. X equal to 5 by 2 and x equal to minus 1. So we need to represent in increasing order. 5 by 2 and minus 1, minus infinity, plus infinity. This is going to divide number into three equal parts, three parts. Positive, sorry, this is negative, this is a negative, this is negative, and this is again positive. Okay, and we need to choose this greater than 0 positive region. So how we are going to this thing, and this thing we are going to choose, that is nothing but x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1. Equality is there, so that means we need to include this minus 1 also. Union 5 by 2 to plus infinity we are going to include also here. So answer in the second case is nothing but is the answer in the second case. And answer in the first case is answer in the first case is 1 to 2. Second case is nothing but this thing. So answer in the first case is nothing but 1 to 2 close interval. This is the answer in the first case. So now we are going to take the intersection of both the answers, that is nothing but first off with a minus infinity will come here, minus infinity, and then minus infinity will come here, and then minus 1, minus infinity, minus 1, it will come somewhat here. 5 by 2 is approximately 2.5, it will come here, 5 by 2, plus infinity it will be here, 1 it will be here somewhere, 1 it will be here somewhere, and 2 it will be here somewhere. Minus infinity to minus 1 it will be something like this, and 5 by 2 to infinity it will be something like this, and 1 to 2 it will be something like this. So there is nothing common. You can see that nothing is common in all the three. So you can say that x belongs to 5 in this case. X belongs to 5 in this case is the final answer. If we move towards the options, we will move towards the options. We can say that first option A is the correct answer.